In this chapter, we will be discussing about eigenvalues and eigenvector. You all are familiar about the concept, that is, if Ax equals lambda x for some non-null vector x and lambda be the value is said to be the eigenvalue of the matrix capital A, and that Ax is said to be the eigenvector. Now you all know the procedure how to find, if a matrix is given, then how to find Ax and lambda just by applying this rule A minus xi equals 0, dead value equals 0. You will get the values of Ax, which will give you the eigenvalues lambda, and then corresponding for that lambda using this relation x equals to lambda x, you need to find out the values of x. That means the corresponding eigenvectors. These are all of you all are familiar about. Now the new thing in this chapter is that power method or determination of greatest eigenvalue by using power method or iteration method. So I am starting this method by taking one example. Find the greatest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector for the matrix capital A equals 2, 4, 6, 3, 9, 15, 4, 16, 36. That one. Find the greatest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector for the matrix, this one. So here arbitrarily we will choose one initial vector. So we are choosing, the answer is, we are choosing an initial vector and we will start with that, naming it as x0, initial state. So we are taking x0. Now here I am taking it as 0, 0, 1. Sometimes in many books you will find that they are taking that initial vector as 1, 1, 0 or 1, 0, 0 or sometimes 1, 1, 1, whatever you can take. I am here taking it 0, 0, 1. You can take this one or this one also. Both are correct. Okay. So here we are choosing this one, x0 equals the initial vector, initial eigenvector 0, 0, 1. So starting with A x0. This equals 2, 4, 6, 3, 9, 15, 4, 16, 36 into 0, 0, 1. This will give the result 6, 15, 36. Now we are trying to get the greatest eigenvalue. So in this eigenvector, whichever is greatest, take it common. Here it is 6, 15, 36. Among these three numbers, 36 is the greatest one. So we will take 36 common from this vector. So in the next line we are writing, taking 36 common. So it will become 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. That means 0.1667. Then 15 by 36, that is 0.4167. And this one is 36 by 36, that is 1. Now we are naming this one as our x1. So it will become 36x1. Okay, where x1 is our second approximation. Now we will apply the same procedure, ax1, then we will get some vector, find out the largest number among the elements of that vector, take it common, you will get x2, and so on. Just repeat this process until you get your desired degree of accuracy or the process starts to repeat. That means for 2 consecutive steps you get same eigenvector. Then you can stop there or terminate the procedure there. Okay. So this is our x1 new approximation. So in the next line we are writing ax1. It will become 2, 4, 6, 3, 9, 15, 4, 16, 36 into 0.1667, 0.4167, 1. This will give the result 8 at first, then 19.25, then 43.33. Among these three numbers, this one is the largest one, So we will take common it. 43.33 equals 0.1846, 0.4443, and then 1, naming it as x2. So writing 43.33 x2. Now applying the next step. Ax2 equals 1, multiplying it, getting 8.15, 19.55, 43.85. The largest one, this one, taking it common, 0.1859, 0.4358, and 1, naming it as x3. So this will become, okay. Next step, ax3. This is a, and x3 is we'll get the result 8.16, 19.57, 43.88. That one is the maximum. One, naming it as x4. Then ax4. Maximum 1. Naming it as x5. Now check x4 and x5, both are same. This is our x4, 18604460 Similarly, x5 is 18604460 So we can terminate the procedure, because for 2 consecutive steps the eigenvector starts to repeat. So this is our final result. This is the corresponding largest eigenvalue lambda, and this is its corresponding eigenvector. So the greatest eigenvalue lambda equals 43.88, and its corresponding eigenvector is this one, 0.1860, 0.4460, 1. That one.